All right, if you had just bought a Spacewalker and it is making a loud screeching noise right out of the box, it's usually due to this roller back here. And what we're gonna do is adjust it. If you come around the back of your machine, there's a compartment here that has a sliding door, and in there is the Allen wrench you're gonna use. Take that out. When your machine is in the folded position, open it, bring it back. You're going to put your Allen wrench inside this hole that has an Allen bolt, and you're going to go 1 full turn, 2 full turns on each side. So clockwise, 2 full turns. Bring it down, turn it on. Now you should have the regular noise of the belt running over the surface of the board and a little bit of the whining from the motor. And as you get on it and walk, you'll hear a little bit more of the whining of the motor. That's the torque pulling your body weight around. And the scraping of the belt on the deck. Other than that, the screeching noise is gone.